Leo nasikia wakisema ati 25th of June is a public holiday. There is nobody with the power to declare a public holiday other than the government of Kenya through the Ministry of Interior and National Security. And for those who imagine that the unfortunate events of last year, June, is something that you will incite Kenyans with, please look for another agenda. Mambo ya maafa, watoto wa Kenya, Mkenya yote hata mmoja kupoteza maisha, sio jambo la kufanya mzaha na kufanya siasa nalo. Wale ambao wanatuambia saa hii ati watadeclare June 25th a public holiday ili mchochee vita, mupiganishe watoto, we want to tell you Kenyans have no space, not for divisions along ethnic lines, not even the divisions you want to create amongst generations of our young people. We are a nation of many generations, and we will not allow you to weaponize one generation of young Kenyans against other Kenyans. Tunajua wanataka kuchochea watoto wetu. Tusigawe watoto wetu kwa misingi ya generations ama vizazi ambazo wamezaliwa.